there, my friend. It is Patrick Allmond from Focus Consulting with another hopefully helpful video for you. The topic today is how and where to host your website. And this isn't actually a blog post I did, looks like almost a year ago, March 31st, 2010. I'm looking at my blog right here. But people have pointed out that the video is not there anymore, and I realized, oh, I put that on Ustream, and I have since deleted that particular video. So let's revisit the topic again really quick. I've had my share of hosting companies throughout the years. I've done everything from shared hosting to having multiple dedicated servers to having reseller accounts to even having my own hosting company. Now, I host a few select clients right now, which are consulting clients, and it's part of a bigger deal, but I don't offer just off-the-street hosting because my prices just can't compare to some places. I'm not your regular $5 or $10 hosting company. But my whole point here is I've had my share of hosting companies, and so this is an area I know pretty much a good deal, have a good deal of knowledge about. Really quick, for those of you that don't know what web hosting is a server someplace on the internet where your website resides. There's two parts internet web hosting. There's the domain name, which is the front door you buy, like my website domain name, allaboutfocus.com. And the second part is the hosting part, which means there's a server someplace on the internet that has your website files on it, that has your pictures on it, that has your database on it. And that's what website hosting is. And I can tell you right now, there are hundreds, if not thousands of choices out there. Who knows, maybe even 100,000 choices out there. And like I mentioned earlier, I've gone through my share of hosting companies. So this is an area where I can give you some good recommendations in. What you want to do is look for a hosting company that's very scalable. And for that right now, my top recommendation is HostGator, as in HOSTGATOR. I like them for several reasons. One, I love the fact that they have live 24-hour tech support chat. I never have to pick up the phone. I've always been able to go into a chat room with them, get my issue resolved, and they are able to share some links with me with some things when we can't get the issue resolved in chat. I also like the fact that they're scalable, which means if you're a small business, which are most of the people I work with, it's very easy to move up from just a simple shared hosting account, which is the absolute lowest level you can deal with, all the way up to a dedicated server or a multi-server solution. Not to mention, they also have some specialty hosting packages. If you're someone that's doing a lot of SEO type situation, for example, and you need like a lot of special class C IP addresses, they can handle that for you. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. Someday, hopefully you will, because you'll be that hot and heavy on the internet. Another reason I really do like HostGator is because of their control panel. They just use the industry standard control panel. cPanel is what it's called, which a lot of Linux hosting companies use. And I like that because there's just a lot of documentation on it, and it's just very easy to navigate. And another reason you're going to like cPanel if you choose to go with HostGator or a company like HostGator is it has like one-click WordPress installs. And if you know anything about us here at Focus, you know that we are huge WordPress fans. And WordPress is just a website program you use to manage the content on your website, to manage your pages, your blog posts, your pictures. We are just huge, huge advocates of WordPress. I love the fact that with cPanel, you can just go back there and do a one-click install to WordPress. So I would recommend that you use what I use, and this is what I'm hosting this video on. Actually, this video is hosted on YouTube and embedded on my website on HostGator. I have a special link which is going to allow you to get a significant discount. Rather than go directly to HostGator, go to this website that's going to appear at the bottom of this video. It's called getyourwebsitetoday.com. It is my link, and I'll disclose right now that I do make a little bit of money off of that, but nothing to write home about. But that's going to take you over to HostGator, and it's going to give you a way to log in and also use a coupon code I'm about ready to give you, okay? The coupon code is all about focus. So when you're doing your checkout, use that coupon code. I believe it gives you the first month for an incredibly cheap price. I believe it's just a couple of dollars. And then again, I believe your hosting after that is under $10 a month. So HostGator is a really good price, really good value. I promise you, I host probably about 50 or 60 different websites there right now. It's been my website hosting of choice for a while. So that's what I recommend you do. Thanks for watching. This has been Patrick from Focus Consulting, and we'll see you at the